If today is my last day, you want me to come out and say, today is my last day on earth? Huh? If God has shown me, TB Joshua, today is your last day on earth, and I should come out and say, praise the Lord, today is my last day on earth. I will talk to you in parable, so that when I've passed on to my Father, you can now pick those parables. Okay, watch the screen.
Just as Prophet TB Joshua had prophesied, when it was his last day on earth, he indeed spoke about it in parables.
Thank you, our sister. Thank you. You may be seated. Thank you. I want to thank you for your time and for the heart you have for Jesus. Good morning. You are welcome. Time for everything. The time to come here and the time to return home after service. Many people want to be here, but they live in troubled spots. Don't forget them in prayer. For you to be here today is grace. What our nation is going through will soon be over. Let us watch and pray. The book of Matthew 26. Watch and pray. Many of us are here, just pray. And then a lot of things in the house. Their attitude of unfaithfulness, disobedience are still there. They just want to pray, receive prayer. Such a people, anything can happen to them while they are coming to synagogue. There's so much kidnapping, killing, and destruction outside. Anything can happen to such a people while they coming here. But their own is to receive prayer. With their sham, with their bad attitude, their own to receive prayer. So this is what we are going to resort to. Interactive prayer section. I hope you listen to me. Can you give me a summary? The reason why we want to resort to interactive. You'll be at home, I will pray for you. The reason?
Because Jesus is alive and Jesus is everywhere. While you can be in Nigeria, Lagos, to pray for someone in India.
Let us hear from our Father here. The reason why we want to resort to this, you'll be at home, we'll be praying for you, instead of coming here.
Because of the times.
Eh?
Because of the times, and more so, that these people are very far away, and God is...
Can somebody answer me?
Because some of us have bad attitudes. We are Christians, but we don't do the things of the Lord.
This is the moment Prophet TB Joshua left the service.
Let's open our hearts as we continue to worship the Lord in the beauty of His holiness. Jesus, 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 what a wonder you are. Jesus, 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 what a wonder you are.